Hey guys, welcome to my 7th tutorial on Python 3.7. Today we'll be talking about how to use Atom. So hopefully you guys watched how to download Atom in the first place in my first video, Python 3.7 video series. If you didn't, please head over to that video and look up how to download Python. But if you have watched that, let's start setting up our Atom software. So when we first open Atom up, we're going to be welcomed by a little page which says a welcome guide and then a bunch of tabs under it. So you should look for the tab which says install a package and click on it, and then to click the button that says open installer. Okay, when you get this, you go to a page which says install packages, and there's a line for you to type in two package names. For us, for our Python video series, there's two different lines that we need to type in. The first package that we want to install is called auto complete Python. Okay, as you guys can see, it's right here. It's autocomplete Python 1.10.11. As you guys can see, it's already installed on my computer, which is why I'm only getting the option to uninstall it. So for most of you guys, I'm probably guessing that you guys do not have this. So I'd highly recommend that getting this onto your computer, because this will really help you out when you're coding in Python. Our second thing is to download something called scripts, otherwise script. There's no S, just script, and it's made by a person named RGBKRK, and this just helps us run code in Atom. So as you guys can see, once again, I've already have it downloaded on my computer, which is why I'm only getting the option to uninstall it. Okay, and there's one more thing I want to show you guys. It's called the key bindings page. This is a really helpful thing that you guys should be trying to get used to. This key binding page just shows you all the special key bindings that you can type in to try to get things faster. If that didn't make sense, let me show you. Suppose I want to know how to run my page, run my code fast. Okay, so I can go over here and I see there's a keystroke called Command I, and if I type in Command I, it will run my code. Okay, but if you're on Windows, then you guys can type in Control Alt Command P, and that will also run your code. Or you guys could also try Shift Command L if that does not work. Okay, so now let's open up a new file, which is when you go onto the top, it says where it says File, Edit, View, Selection, Find, Packages, Window, and Help. Just click on Find, File, New Window, and this should help pop open a new window. It may take a few seconds, as you guys can see from me, but eventually it will open up. So here's our new window we have over here, and let's try making a piece of code based on what we've learned from a few of our past videos. So let's make a list called Python, 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 Python 1, and we'll set this equal to, how about some random values, about 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, and now let's add a second one called Python 2, and let's make it equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Okay, so now we have two lists that we've already created over here, and now if we want to add them together, meaning make this into one large list where we go from 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 all at once, this is what we do. Just type in Python 3 equals, which means we're initializing a new variable, Python 3, which is equal to the sum of Python 1 plus Python 2. Okay, now we just want to print Python 1, Python 3, because that's the sum. Print Python 3. Okay, so when we first do this, it's not going to work, most likely, and yes, it says error, you must select a language in the lower right or save a file with the appropriate extension. So to do this, we have to click on the word plain text in the bottom right, which is right next to the word UTF-8 and 0 files. Type in plain text, click on it, and go scroll all the way down until you find Python. It's towards the end. It's right under property list. Double tap on Python. It's going to take you to a different screen, but just ignore that and open Atom back up. And now when we run our code again, I'll just be using the command I function, which we saw before on the keystrokes page. Runs our code for us. Okay, no, it's taking a bit long to load. Command I again. I don't know what's happening today. My computer's been running super slow. You know what? I'm gonna run it. There's also another way for you guys to run it. If you guys go to packages, script, and then run script, that's another way to run it. I don't know. It's just running a bit slow, but eventually it's gonna pop up, and you guys should see that it says Python 3 and then brackets 1 3 5 7 9 2 4 6 8 0. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys learned something from this. So my computer's been running really slowly today, so it's probably not going to work for now, but in the next video I'll run this code again for you guys to make sure it works, because it's not the problem with the code, it's just my laptop's really laggy. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and I hope you guys leave a comment and a like down below, and peace guys.